Take 3D coffee cup into the blender. We start creating this realistic animation into blender. Press A, delete, shift A and add cylinder. Into edit mode, select top face and bottom face and insert to eye and X to face delete. Then select edge and grid fill, control F to grid fill, and then extrude along Z axis near bottom, and then select bottom edge, Alt LMB, and then control F grid fill and into the X-ray mode, extrude little bit upside. Then edit mode, create one loop cut and control B, create towards edge and select this edge, Alt LMB and control B, and select these four faces along x-axis and extrude little bit x-axis edge and this menu. Number of cuts, if you trouble then interpolation, change interpolation and increase number of cuts. Then y-axis, control 2, the subdivision surface modifier, add bevel segment 2 and amount 0.3. Then edit mode, create loop cut, top, under top and bottom, then handle, control R and drag to the surface of the cup, and then bottom, control loop cut, one bottom and one to the cup bottom upside, then outside bottom, and shade smooth, right click and shade smooth. Then add a plane and lift cup little bit Z axis, add camera, control alt and numpad 0. So set a camera into the view mode, camera to view, and adjust your camera position. Then remove check mark and select cup, and we render setting, go to render setting, device CPU mode, max sample 128 and render sample 128, noise menu, use GPU, and then render mode, add area light, drag area light to Z axis upside and increase the power, and then Z axis, shift T, duplicate the area light into two spot, then increase power of your view and then adjust the light again. Select coffee cup and create new material, set color which you want. I select dark red and roughness about 0.03 and rotate this coffee cup, and world position, world setting is strength is 0. Then into the timeline, select keyframes about 160 and into frame rate, scene frame rate about 30, and then I press then output setting folder and encoding video, media type video, encoding MPG4 and create auto keyframe and select coffee cup and double R spacebar and rotate this coffee cup and release the LMB. This is our animation from easy way. Then we go into a graph mode, shift F6 and smooth the key legacy, and then Alt O into the 7 or 8 time, and then play our animation. So you see that our animation is softly playing, and increase little bit area lights, so our render is get quality, and then render this animation control, sorry, render option and F6. So like, subscribe and share this my first voiceover 3D rendering tutorial of making coffee cup. Thank you very much.